Ryan, it was difficult conditions out there. How happy are you with how your team dealt with them?
Delighted with how we dealt with the conditions, delighted with the 3 points. Probably the most happy, the pleasing point was how we dug in. Second half, I think first half in patches, we played some good football, created 2 or 3 opportunities. Keepers pulled off 1 or 2 saves. So first half, yeah, I think we were better in possession. I think second half, conditions didn't help. They made a lot of changes, you know, threw a lot of men forward. So the most pleasing thing the second half was how we dug in as a side. We had to bring players on ourselves off the bench in unfamiliar positions, you know, just to stem the flow or help, you know, us keep them at bay and keep the clean sheet. But overall, with, like I said, the conditions and them putting a lot of pressure on and different things, and delighted, yeah. Not much between the teams, I suppose, but what's missing?
It's quality in the final third, and obviously defending your box better. Their goal comes from a throw-in, from a restart, which we've worked on and we've discussed. Again, credit to Bala, but from ourselves, it's not good enough. And in the final third, we've had opportunities to put the ball in the back of the net, and we've not done that.
You go again. There's another home game coming up against Flint. A massive one again.
Yeah, and they're a really good team. You know, they play some good football. They've got good energy about them. I think they've got a great result today up against Cardiff Met as well. So there's no easy game at this level. And you know, I've said about lessons. We're certainly learning lessons at the moment. But hopefully we can improve and get that first elusive point on the board.
John, oedd dofyn yn mynd i fod yn her gan bod Llanelli dal yn chwilio am 'u pwynt cynta. Mae'n rhaid bod chi'n hapus iawn gyda delwch chi gyda'r sefyllfa.
Yndan, dwi'n hapus iawn. Ond yn bwysig bod ni'n codi pwyntiau ar y lôn lle, ond ie, cael 3 pwynt. Y ffordd ni'n chwarae'n diwedd hefyd, dod aros fewn am, oedd 3 pwynt pwysig iawn.
O'n i'n gofyn i Ryan os oedd ti'n hapus yn chwarae fel cefn o'r canol, a dde'n awgrymu bod well da ti fe. Be ti'n mynd?
I fod yn onest, o'n i'n chwarae yna, dan i dri waith a Bristol tymor dwytha, ac o'n i'n gweld ti'n lot haws achos ti'n gweld y gêm i gyd, ond rhywle fedra i helpu'r tîm na chwarae yna.